Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own audiobook using Python. So at first let's create a Python file. Okay, and the next things you have to install a module which name is pypdf2. I'm sorry. Okay, I already installed it. So next things is import it. Okay, and after that in the file, and first argument is file name and the second argument is mode RB, read binary mode, and the next things I want to read the book by using PDF reader. So to pypdf2.pdf reader, and the next things I want to get the page PDF file equals to pdf dot reader and get page. I want to extract the text of the page 7, and the next things I extract the text of the page 7 of the PDF file. So to do this, nt content is equals to pdf file dot extract text extract text, and if I print the content and run this, okay, you can see it is perfectly working. Now our next job is to convert this text into speech. To do this you have to install one more modules, which is as install pyttsx3. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I already installed it. So next thing is import pyttsx3, and the next things clear this. First things is initialize the pyttsx3, and the next things is get the property. Okay, engine dot get property. I will explain this later. So first, the next thing is set the property. Now we want to set the property of voice. Okay, we want to set voices one dot id. Okay, and I also want to set the rate of speech. Okay, already rate. I want to give it 125, and the next let's create a function. Okay, argument text and engine dot say text. Okay, and engine dot run and wait function. Okay, let's speak. Let's check whether it is working or not. Okay, if I run this, then I know it is.
Hello everyone.
Okay, you can see it is perfectly working. The next things is pass the content. At first we initialize the pyttsx3 modules and we get the property of the voices, and we set the property of the voices. There are two voices in Microsoft. First one is David, second one is Zira. David voice, David is male and the Jira is female. If you want male voice, then simply put it 0. And the next, I set a rate. If I okay, if I does not set the rate here, then it speak too fast. Okay, it is too hard to recognize. I show you. Now if I run this,
hey you.
Okay, you can see it's speak too fast, so it is necessary to set a rate and content. Okay, if I run this,
what shall we call this one? Adam asked. Let's call it a rhinoceros, said Eve. Why? Responded Adam. Well, it looks more like a rhinoceros than anything we've named yet. Eve replied. Teacher, why was Adam a famous runner? Student, because he was first in the human race. Adam was created first to give him a chance to say something. What a good thing Adam had when he said something he knew nobody had said it before. The first atom splitting gave us Eve, a force which men in all ages have never gotten under control. 8 clean jokes _new.qxd November 20th, 12:10:41 a.m. page 8.
So let's run it again and check.
What shall we call this one? Adam asked. Let's call it a rhinoceros, said Eve. Why? Responded Adam. Well, it looks more like a rhinoceros than anything we've named yet.
7.
Eve replied. Teacher, why was Adam a famous runner?
Okay, you can make this
because he was first
simply by using the Python module. So I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you have any confusion, please comment down below.